Binili nga pala namin yung mga fur babies namin ng automatic rolling interactive cat ball. So, tuwang-tuwa sila. Dati, papetiks-petiks lang sila, nakatambay dyan. So, nag-grooming at patambay-tambay, walang ginagawa. Pero ngayon, nakakapag-exercise na sila dahil dito sa ating bagong cat toy. So, kita nyo naman, pati kayo mapapalaro dito. So, meron siyang tatlong mode. So, pag nasa fast mode siya, it is in blue light. Pag naman in slow mode, it is in purple light. And yung interaction mode niya, nasa yellow light. After working for 5 minutes in each mode, mag-e-enter siya ng standby mode. So, hindi naman mauubos yung charge ng battery. If not awakened after 30 minutes in standby mode, it will automatically shut down and the mode indicator will flash twice every minute standby mode just to let you know that it is on. Kasi you'll have to turn it on or turn it off. Para naman, di ba, yung mga fur babies nyo makapag-exercise. So, I wanna show you how we charge it, and this is the box. And then, makikita nyo, madali lang naman i-attach yung tail, and then, you put it on or off like this. And in this case, so nakita nyo, di ba, nasa blue light siya. So, therefore, this is in fast mode. So, talagang gulat na gulat si Miss Siri dito at si Miss Marty dahil ngayon lang sila nakakita dito. And parang masasabi talaga natin na may exercise sila kasi nakita nyo, di ba? Parang it's a bit sneaky. So, hindi siya gumagalaw. Pero pag tinap nila or after a few minutes, bigla tong magwiwiggle, gagalaw. So, like here. So, talagang naku-curious. Talagang lumalabas yung pagka-curious cat ng ating meow meow. And guys, I hope you permit me na medyo habaan itong video na to without any audios because I want you to really see how it works for our cats. This is called the Smart Cat Toys Automatic Rolling Ball Fake Tail Rechargeable Electric Pet Toy. I bought this for 139 pesos. Originally, this is 199 pesos. And sana makakuha din kayo nito because it is really worth it. And masasabi ko na isa ito sa naging favorite namin na purchase dito sa TikTok shop. I bet nakakatalino to ng fur babies natin, cats or dogs. Even bata siguro, no? Siguro even toddlers. Kasi nga, this is a mental exercise, not just a physical challenge. Kasi nga, hihingalin ka dito. Tingnan mo nga kahit si Miss Marty, hindi makamove on na siya.